Now that Brother Enigma is a brand, it's not only a Christian now, he's a brand. We built him, we made him to be a brand by doing what? By supporting him at all costs. We make sure that we were there for him. So today he is a brand. Now, the wheels have turned. Now, God is using Brother Enigma to build us now. It is our turn now. We are building each other, right?
Say Enigma of Jesus. So people should understand. I always told you I have my own name that I cannot mention now. So people want to know, why is Enigma so famous in South Africa, young? No. It is because uNkulunkulu uzobabuza ukuthi uEnigma unitsheli and angeke bathi abazwanga, because say Enigma of Jesus. Banamafoni bayabona uEnigma nangu uyavela ngapha. Angithi uyabona every time ungena ku YouTube, anybody afaka into on YouTube noma kanjani uzobhala Enigma noma angikhulumanga lapho, uyabhala igama lami ukuthi uEnigma uSule, then uvele something else. So ukuthi igama lakhe ukuthi libe khona itswayi. Salt. Mabapheka bafaka Enigma itswayi.
Igama lakho itswayi.
Because mabayenza anything abayenzayo bafaka igama lakho.
But nami kubonile lo.
Uyangena YouTube ekuseni ngo4 ophela ukuthiwa ubona istory awusiyazi but igama lami likhona lapho. Or it's a woza or itswayi, that's why I don't know. Then